If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords. Today, it's Electric Touch. This rockin' song is super easy to get in your fingers. Let's go through the chords first in one hand. We'll start on G major. That is the key of the song. G, B, D. Yes. If we need an A minor, right next door. A, C, E. A minor. Fourth chord we're going to learn, E minor, E, G, B, E minor. Next chord, C major, C, E, G. And the last chord we need to learn, D major, D, F sharp, A. We'll use that in the bridge. There is one pattern for the intro, the verse, the chorus. The only thing that changes is the bridge. So here's the main pattern for that intro, verse, chorus. G major. Doing the roots in my left hand, chord in my right hand. To A minor. A, C, E. To E minor. E, G, B. To C major. That's our pattern. In the bridge, let's add that D major chord, flip things around. So start on C major for the bridge, C, E, G. Take it to E minor, E, G, B. Right back to that C major, C, E, G. And then up to D major, D, F sharp, A. We'll do that 2 times in the bridge. Let's go through some of these sections in 2 hands full out with a little bit of rhythmic pattern. Like I said, starting on G major, every chord gets 4 beats. We'll call this verse 1. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Restart, G major. Here's the chorus in G Play on!